Here's how to fix there was a problem with NVIDIA App. First, if you're seeing an error message when opening the NVIDIA app, close the NVIDIA app. Then, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager and launch it. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters and locate your NVIDIA graphics card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Next, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your NVIDIA graphics card from the list and click Next. Wait for Windows to install the driver, then close Device Manager. After that, try opening the NVIDIA app again and check if the issue has been resolved. If the app still doesn't open, close it and open the Start menu again. Search for Settings and launch it. Go to Apps from the left side, then select Installed Apps. Use the search bar to find NVIDIA app. Once it is found, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal and wait for the application to be completely uninstalled. Once it's finished, open your web browser and search for NVIDIA App Download. Open the official NVIDIA download page here. Download the latest version of the NVIDIA app. Once it is installed, run the installer. Follow the installation steps, accept the license agreement, and wait for the installation to complete. When prompted, choose either the Game Ready driver if you primarily use your PC for gaming, or the NVIDIA Studio driver if you use creative or professional applications. Continue through the setup until the installation is complete. After the installation finishes, launch the NVIDIA app again. It should now open normally without any errors. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.